So we've got a Mercury 90 Optimax here. This is the 3-cylinder, and we're just going to go through some servicing of this engine. So we do the spark plugs now on this Mercury 90 DFI Optimax. It's a 3-cylinder, so 3 spark plugs. 1, 2 and 3, and they're served by independent coil packs. 1, 2, 3. Here's a spark plug. It's a NGKIR IZFR5J. Fairly expensive. I believe these are the iridium tipped plugs. They're in the region of nearly about £100 for this engine. So well worth replacing and looking after because of the cost of them. But I believe it's due to the emissions of the engine. Obviously, if you had a pretty basic plug, I think these iridium ones, they're quite a hot plug, so they're pretty good at burning and keeping the emissions low, especially with direct injection. So we'll go ahead, we'll take the boots off the back of each, we'll remove them, and we can then reinstall the new ones. Fairly easy to get to, quite accessible. The 4-stroke ones are quite recessed into the head because of the valve train. And just to the left of it here, just for a bit of information, we've got the thermostat cover as well, which we can also have a look at a later date. But for now, we will do the spark plugs, and just to the right of them we've got the injectors as well. They're labelled 1, 2 and 3 for reference, so we'll get to that now. So we've got the boots off there now. I've got the spark plug tool, and it's just a case of going on, and then we can undo each one in turn. We've got the new ones. We'll have a look at the old spark plugs as well, just to see the condition, and we'll check the gap on them and the gap on these. These are pre-gapped. I'll put the gap on the screen there. Little tip for these iridium ones: do be very careful with the if you can see, with the tips, because they do have like an iridium tip to them which you can damage, so just be careful when you're gapping them. But we'll take each one out and reinstall the new ones. So quite an easy job, the spark plugs, be it an expensive one, but a job that pretty much anyone can do. So just take them out. We've got the top one, middle one and the bottom one. And there is a bit of carbon fouling on them, but you just sort of expect that from a 2-stroke engine because you are burning fuel and oil together. So the top one's looking not too bad. Middle one, a bit dirty, and the bottom one, a bit of carbon on. But like I said, I don't know when these will last change. These could be in for a few years. And here we've got the new ones. So we're going to reset them back into the head. So on this engine you don't have to take any. The lower one is a little bit tricky, but you can get straight in there. Some engines you have to take the side cover off, or they give you an access point. And like I say, the coils are to one side, they're not a coil-on plug like some of the newer engines. Independent coils, quite easy for testing. Some of the engines, they run a common coil to each spark plug, so trying to diagnose a fault you're going to have to do an inline test. At least with this one you can just pull a lead off and you'll find out which one's running and which one isn't. So plugs go back in, boots back on, and that's your spark plugs. So that's it, all 3 spark plugs have been refitted and the boots replaced. So that's your spark plugs on a Mercury 90 Optimax.